So Matt from Zippertubing, American manufacturing business, a strong heritage, of course, in this sector. But the last sort of 18 to 12 months have been a year of innovation for you guys.
That's correct. Yeah, we're getting lots of customers coming to us asking for new materials, new projects. So we're researching new materials, basalt, carbon fiber, aramid fiber materials that we can meet their requirements that they have. Higher temperature, smaller, stronger materials for their application.
And give us an example of some of the recent applications that you've provided solutions for.
Great. Yeah. It's a high temp wraparound protection, EMI shielding and high temp protection for a space launch company. They have connections for their ground support equipment. We're doing a custom EMI shield that can also handle the high temperatures as the launch system, as the rocket launches, so it's also protected from, you can imagine, the high temperatures that are involved there.
And you talked there about the engineering custom solutions. Your customers come to you. Obviously, it's part of your design and fulfillment process, listening to what their needs really are.
That's correct. Yeah, the customers will come to us with their specific set of requirements or needs, and it's my job, our job, me and my team of engineers, to really determine what they need, bring in the solution, bring in the materials if we don't have them, bring in new materials, and make a custom solution or design for them that'll fit their needs.
And do you feel a bit of a step change in what the customers are asking for in the current climate?
It's always something that's, they're looking for things that are lighter, stronger. They're also looking for things faster. Just technology is changing so quickly that they want a fast turnaround. And what we can provide is custom engineered solutions, prototypes in a matter of days that they can test with, and then we can turn around and use our production capabilities to give them a finished product even within a few days after that.
So you're celebrating 60 years of manufacturing. Just give me the next 60 months. How do you think the business is going to change?
We're just growing. We're doing a lot of trade shows. We're trying to get more applications within this sector, within space, within aerospace, within automotive, robotics. We're looking at lots of new materials that are specific to those industries. For aerospace, it's lightweight, high temperature materials. For other industries, maybe it's different polymers that are better for the environment. It just depends on the sector.
Matt, thank you very much for your time.
Yeah, great. It's a pleasure.